Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. Let's solve the questions of sample test paper 2, subject mathematics standard and class 10. General instruction of the test paper is given here. This test paper consists of 5 sections A to E. Time allowed for this test paper is 3 hours. Maximum marks 80. Let's see the questions of the section A. This is the section A and this is the question number 1 of the section A. 120 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors. So 15 is not a prime number, so this is not a prime factor. 5 to 3 are the prime number, so what will be the multiplication of this one? Then this is the 120. So correct option of the question number 1 will be B. Let's see the question number 2. The graph y px in figure given below for some polynomial px, find the number of 0. So the number of 0 equal to in how many place the curve cut or intersect or touch x-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3. So the number of 0 this polynomial will be 3 and 3 is in option A. So the correct option of the question number 2 will be A. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 3. In question number 3, ask us the number of solution of linear equation representing coincident lines is R. So the number of solution will be infinite many or infinite many solutions. Let's see the correct option. So the correct option of this question will be A, infinite solution. Let's see the question number 4. In question number 4, x equal to 3 is a solution of equation 3x square plus 9 equal to 0. Put the value of x equal to 3, then here will be 27 plus 9 equal to 36 and 36 divided by 3, then we get here 12 or minus 12. Then this one is moved in the right hand side, then plus 1. So k will be minus 11. So minus 11 is in option B. So the correct option of the question number 4 will be B. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 5. If am equal to 1 by n and an equal to 1 by m, in this question ask us what is the am. So here will be am equal to a plus m minus 1 into d equal to 1 by n, and here will be an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 1 by m. So now we change the sign. This is the minus minus minus, this one cancelled out, then we get here d m minus n, and here will be m minus n by mn. M minus n cancelled out, therefore d equal to 1 by mn. Now putting the value of d any one of these two, then we get here the value of a. So the value of a equal to 1 by n minus m minus n into 1 by mn. So LCM will be mn and n cancelled out, then we get here m minus m plus 1 equal to 1 by mn. Now we find out what is the am n equal to a plus mn minus 1 into d. So the value of a is 1 by mn plus mn minus 1 by mn. Mn will be the LCM, and here will be 1 cancelled out, then we get here mn cancelled out, then 1. So a mn equal to 1. Let's see. This is in option A. So the correct option of the question number 5 will be A. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 6. Radius of circle of a triangle ABC is 5 root under 10 units if point P equidistant from A, B and C, then AP equal to, so this is the A, B and this is the C and this is the triangle, and all of these points are equidistant from the center of the circle. So AP will be the radius of the circle. So the correct answer of this question will be 5 root 10, and this is in option A. So the correct option of question number 6 will be A. In the next video lecture, I will solve rest problem of this sample paper. Till then, thanks to all of you. मैं अपने अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में इस सैम्पल पेपर के बाकी क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करूंगा, और आज इस सैम्पल पेपर का ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लास भी लग रहा है, तो आप इसको क्लियर करना चाहते हैं तो जॉइन फॉर एडुकेशन के ऑनलाइन लाइव क्लास में अवश्य जुड़िए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।